Time is running short on our ability to fix climate change. With the clock ticking down the few years we have left before the effects of climate change become irreversible, industries are scrambling to find the most efficient ways to decarbonize their operations. That's why one company, Cemvita Factory, has turned to the chemical engineering experts who have been absorbing carbon dioxide from the Earth's atmosphere for eons: microbes. Microbes are tiny organisms like bacteria that live all around us. They live in the soil and help plants grow. They live in our bodies, helping us digest food. Some can even live in extreme climates, like volcanic springs and submarine hydrothermal vents. Microbes create energy and nutrients for themselves by absorbing certain molecules in their environment, like carbon dioxide, and turning them into useful chemicals through well-studied biochemical pathways. In fact, microbes are so efficient at chemical reactions that a whole field of science, called synthetic biology, is dedicated to reprogramming them to produce chemicals that are useful for humanity. By slightly altering their genetic sequence, microbes can be reprogrammed to have new abilities, like absorbing CO2, harmful toxins, or precious metals in the environment, or producing chemical compounds that can be used in industries from pharmaceuticals to plastics. Cemvita Factory started out by creating a microbe that could be sent into deep space and help astronauts survive on long exploration missions by converting the carbon dioxide they exhaled into glucose, a sugar which is a building block for many essential nutrients. However, with the climate crisis looming back here on Earth, Cemvita's team quickly realized the potential of microbes to help industrial sectors reduce their carbon footprint and create new revenue streams from their emissions. Cemvita's diverse team of scientists and engineers help clients assess their chemical operations and then create a customized microbe to aid in their decarbonization. For example, when a client asked Cemvita to make ethylene from carbon dioxide, Cemvita used its nature-inspired synthetic biology platform to take the enzyme that creates ethylene from bananas and put it into a microbe that already naturally absorbs CO2. This microbe can now use CO2 as a raw material to produce bioethylene. Using synthetic biology to create chemical compounds instead of traditional chemical methods has many advantages. First and foremost, Cemvita's technology is carbon negative, since the microbes are removing carbon dioxide and methane from the air, both of which are known greenhouse gases. In the case of ethylene, scaling up the technology means billions of these microbes could be used to absorb up to 1.7 megatons of CO2 from industrial flue stacks, which is equivalent to the emissions from 370,000 cars, and turn it into 1 billion pounds of bioethylene per year. Cemvita's platform can also end up saving industries money. The microbes work at ambient temperature, so producing the end chemicals costs less than using traditional chemical methods, which typically require intensive heat or energy for the chemical reactions to proceed. And the power of Cemvita's synthetic biology platform doesn't stop there. Cemvita has a portfolio of over 30 microbes, which can be genetically customized to create chemical compounds that match each client's specific needs. In addition, Cemvita is using its synthetic biology platform for sustainable mining and subsurface carbon utilization. No one says saving the planet is going to be easy, but we all must start taking small steps if we want to see big changes. Cemvita's synthetic biology platform is helping companies harness the power of microbes, nature's smallest chemical engineers, and transform the way we think about carbon emissions, not as waste, but as a valuable feedstock. Contact Cemvita today, and let's go carbon negative, climate positive.